Hey guys, today's a very exciting start of a little mini series I'm doing. I haven't planned it out, I don't know how many episodes, I don't know the theming, but I thought I would do an introductory video, give you guys an overview of the start of my moving process. This is very different to anything I've done before. I very rarely vlog or, I do these sit down videos and do reviews and things, but since I'm moving to a flat, my very own flat, I thought it'd be a perfect opportunity, especially after seeing Freddie, my love, do her whole amazing series. I've really enjoyed watching that. It's been almost like cathartic to watch, and I'm almost living vicariously through her, but now I get to have my own experience. So I thought I'd document it for you guys. This is probably a pretty interesting topic for anyone on YouTube who watches, vlogs and things like that. So I do hope you guys enjoy. Do thumbs up and subscribe if you'd like to see more, if you'd like me to continue my whole home journey from start to finish. And today is just going to be, like I said, an introduction, letting you guys know where I'm at now, how I started, and what's to come in this specific video and the next upcoming videos. So I will overlay a bunch of clips. I think I spoke through most of the clips, so I don't need to, do a voiceover or anything. So I'm extremely excited and happy and grateful and nervous. It is a really big process. It's the first time I'm moving out on my own, and I thought because the flat does need some renovations and things being replaced, just because of how long certain things have been there, and for example boring things like a new boiler, which I never even thought about, but it did need to be replaced. So yeah, the whole kitchen, whole bathroom, all the flooring is being redone and repainting, and then obviously buying a lot of my own furniture. So at the moment it's still in the middle of renovations. I have picked out everything, I've gone to design appointments, I've even done a small homeware haul already a month or so ago. If you'd like to go watch that, it's a HomeSense haul. And I have a bunch more other stuff I can show you. If you'd like to see that in a video in its own separate haul, I can do that. But basically all the big stuff has been done so far, and in this video you'll see me talking about, how the flooring has been removed, that the whole kitchen and bathroom has been like drained and everything's been taken out. I picked up a few things from B&Q, which is a really great, I think, competitively priced place if you're looking for any kind of DIY or home renovation items. And they do often have voucher codes, which I've used a couple times. So I did pick out my kitchen flooring from them. It's laminate flooring, but it looks like wood, and you can also get tiles that look like wood. So if that's the look you're going for a kitchen and you're, looking to redo that flooring, just know that B&Q has some really amazing, inexpensive options. And I picked out my whole bathroom. My whole theme is going to be kind of like a marble aesthetic. I obviously didn't buy real marble because it's very expensive, but it's things that I found that are in the style of marble, made with, for example, porcelain. My kitchen counters are, which the whole kitchen is from IKEA, is going to be all like a marble style. So it's going to be very like classic and chic, and I have really high hopes for it basically. This is just going to be the first introductory video of how the renovations have gone in the first 2 weeks. Hey guys, so it's the first day of getting the flat together, putting everything away and starting to tidy up so that renovations can start. And in this room, as you can see, I've literally my parents and I have dragged everything over, things that I'm keeping, things that we are going to kind of spruce up and do up. We're going to paint all of this and put new handles and everything, so I'll go over that in another video, another segment. But yeah, this is what I'm wearing today, just like a really casual gym wear, tracksuit, whatever, like active wear outfit that would be easy for me to move things in. And it's really hot today, but yeah, I do have my nails done though, which I don't know if that was a good idea. So this is just like 4 or 5 rubbish bags that we filled up with all the stuff that was left, because it's obviously a furnished flat. It came furnished, so we've just yeah, filled all the rubbish that was left over, things I don't want, things that I can't keep, just anything broken. And we're going to throw it all out. And then we have some cleaning supplies that we're going to use. And then put some more furniture in this room as well. So I also have my new flooring here. Got this at B&Q. And it's called the Laminate Flooring Good Home. I think this is called Oldham or Stoke. No, I got Stoke. It's called the Stoke Laminate Flooring. Basically looks like wood. It's really pretty, like a muted light beigey wood. I wanted more of a grey tone. And then the underlay you had to purchase as well. So that's the progress so far. Like, wow, the whole floor's been taken out. And in here as well, it looks like something out of Saw. And you can literally see that the whole wall has been like knocked through, kind of crazy. And then yeah, everything marked to be taken out. It's gonna completely change. And then yeah, all the flooring, as in the carpet, has been removed. So you can see the whole room looks a little crazy. The one thing, yeah, I'm not really happy about this radiator. It's actually super bulky, and also we're going to be painting the walls a fresh color. So yeah, I'm not sure how we're going to get around that. I'm just going to have to be super careful with a really small paintbrush, but I guess I'll figure out a way. And I'll, you know, probably put dining chairs and a table to try and hide it as much as I can. But that was so that a radiator right there, if you can see, could be taken out. So that one's been removed. So I'm going to put my sofa all in this corner. It's like an L-shaped corner sofa, and then it's been replaced with this one. And then also, as you can see, this is the linoleum type flooring that was in the kitchen. Kitchen actually looks really big. You can see, like, really wide now that everything's been removed, almost everything. Basically, yeah, the whole kitchen wall, and the bathroom's right across here. As you can see, they've kind of knocked through the wall. Everything's been put in new, obviously new flooring. I just had a new boiler put in because it needed to be replaced. And yeah, I guess I will update with more progress when more significant changes happen. So more progress has been done here. I don't know if you guys will be able to tell much of the changes, but one thing is that up here in the loft space, I guess you could call it, these are some pull down stairs. So basically explains that the stairs come out, which is what I wanted, so that I can use the upstairs. It's quite a small space like there, upstairs space for storage, and I can actually get up there. There'll be a light, so it's super useful. And then I think I showed this previously, that all the flooring has basically been taken out, and the bathroom has had even more progress done. So I'm having spotlights put in the kitchen, the bathroom, and the living room. So in the bathroom, you can see they've made the space for the in-ceiling spotlights, and the paneling is up for the bathroom to put up the tiles on, which is exciting. The bathroom is basically completely dismantled except for the old toilet. This is my new radiator. They've already picked it up. I don't think they're putting it up yet, because I imagine the tiles obviously have to go first behind it, but they've picked up the radiator here. And then through here, the living room area, you can see the flooring again is also taken out, and some old appliances here. And they've also put the ceiling spotlights in there. They haven't put the actual lights, obviously, it's not going to look like this, but the space for it has been made, the wiring is all done, and that's the old ugly old lady lamp that was here that I'm definitely not keeping. And then in the kitchen as well, you can get a better sense of the size from here. It's all been dismantled. My new boiler has been put in because it needed to be replaced, and it is quite expensive, guys. Just be wary of that if you're doing any kind of home renovations. But luckily, yeah, that's all been put in, and then everything else has been pretty much removed. So the next step will be once everything from IKEA is delivered here, which will be in about 2 weeks, and then they'll obviously start putting it all together. So that'll be super exciting to see that come together. And also, I'll quickly show you guys. Through here, I'm going to have this whole storage cabinet. This will be removed, luckily, so I'll have tons more storage space as well.